Kia ora Te Anau School, ko Quin ingoa. My name is Quin. It's Rāpare, the 23rd of July.
And Mōrena, ko Felicity ahau. I'm Felicity. Welcome to the morning report on this warm, windy winter's day.
Let's get into it. Te kupu o te wiki. This week's word is maka-riri, which is te reo for cold.
As in maka-riri tenay koi, meaning this weekend is cold. It might actually snow.
Okay, lunchtime activities. Today, straight after eating from 12:30, there's inside games in Te Whare Ki Uta, the new hall, all years 1 to 4.
And there's capture the flag on the Kindy field for years 3 to 6. Let's go.
And if you can't remember what's happening, check out the activities whiteboard outside the office at lunchtime.
Okay, most students are doing the right thing, wearing their Hi Viz vest to and from school. Please do likewise.
Ka pai, health and safety news. A reminder about washing or sanitising your hands before eating. Stay safe, everyone.
Okay, bus news, especially if after school today you have sport, tennis, dance, art or music.
Students not on the bus after school, remember to mark yourself off and if you've already done it, ka pai.
Okay, yesterday we had most students using the bike racks. Please remember to park your bikes in the bike racks.
Okay, duty teacher info. For all you keen beans out there, today's duty teachers at morning tea are Mr. Hunter and Mrs. Fargo.
Well, at lunchtime, there's Mr. Chapman, Mrs. McGlade, Mrs. Hanson, Mrs. Sexel, Mrs. Mann, and Mrs. Fedorsen. That's you, Mum.
Remember, anything you need help with out there,
go see a duty teacher. They're here to help.
Birthday news. One today at Te Anau School. Sophie in room 2 is turning double digits, Big 10.
And yesterday, someone else had a sneaky birthday and turned 10 as well. Guess who? Someone from room 3?
John Cena!
Almost. It was Will.
Oh, happy birthday for you today, Will, and happy birthday today, Sophie.
Lucky book club news. Remember to drop your orders into the office mailbox before Tuesday. Cure.
Okay, lastly, tomorrow is Round Mary, and that means Sausage Sizzle Day. So remember your cash and go out to the cafe block before the bell.
Okay, if you missed any info, check out the notes in the description box below. I'm out. Hi da. Goodbye.
Ka te apoko. See you tomorrow. Pikiaki ki te taumata.
Whakarongo rā.